ik ben Algemene en ik ben van België.
Ismi Mardini en من سوريا دمشق.
Ik ben Warre en ik ben groepsleider van Team België.
Ich bin Brandon, ich komme aus Magdeburg, aus Deutschland.
Ich bin Stefan, ich komme aus Deutschland, aus Halle.
Ναι, είμαι η Δήμητρα, είμαι από την Ελλάδα.
I'm very excited about this project.
This is my second StudioStar experience. It still has the liveliness that I wished for.
Found it very interesting when we started doing the workshops.
I think my favorite moment so far was when Elias is one of the Finnish guys, and when he printed the bird, and his eyes were just amazing, just looking at it, and everyone was there, like, because we were all so excited, and he was saying like, I got the chills, I got the chills.
I like it that we have so much freedom to create our stuff, and also I like the people around here. They're always kind to you, always respectful, and that's a good thing for me.
I think the venue is amazing. I've never been to a youth exchange or any Erasmus project that had this kind of facilities.
Well, my expectations are to learn, to grow and know more about human rights. I hope that when I leave that I really have like a feeling that I expanded my knowledge about things.